Hey guys, I'm Whitney Burke, and I have been a distributor for Synergence since January 2016. I have an awesome team. We have done more than $5 million in sales 2 years consecutively, so I'm super blessed there. And I just wanted to get on here and show you kind of a new ombre that you probably haven't tried before. I'm going to be using the colors Midnight Muse and Violet for this. And Midnight Muse is basically going to go on the bottom part of my top lip and the bottom part of my bottom lip. Violet is going to go on the top part. So let's start with Midnight Muse. And you don't need a lot of product when you do this. Okay, and now we'll switch over to the Violet. And we're basically just putting this where we didn't put Midnight Muse. And overlapping ever so slightly. So let's do the second layer of Midnight Muse. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the third layer of Violet. So on this last layer, I've been kind of blending and overlapping. I am going to overlap the Violet, but I want to keep the Midnight Muse just where I want a more intense blue color. Okay, and now let's do the Midnight Muse. Just very, very little though. So make sure you're wiping off all the excess product. Okay, and let's do the top lip too. And I still think I just want a thin line of Violet just to give that a little bit more of a transition since Midnight Muse is such a harsh color. I'll get close so you guys can kind of see the effect of that. I really like using a darker color on the bottom part and a lighter color on the top part because I think it makes your lips look fuller and more pouty. So let's top it with gloss. I'm using silver glitter gloss today because I love it. When you're doing ombres, just not this type of ombre, really any ombre, if you aren't really skilled at blending the colors into one another yet, this will hide a multitude of sins. So try to use a glitter gloss and it'll help you hide maybe your mistakes and boo-boos. Thanks so much for watching. If you try this, I want to see it. Use the hashtag Lipsperiment on Instagram so that way I can just look it up and see it. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.